Good afternoon, it's Trentt Creates. We are here in Birmingham. Now you're wondering why I'm in Birmingham? Well, because it's DreamHack tomorrow. And I am at a lovely establishment. Nice little house, nice little gaff. And it's a double jointed house, which I'll show you boys around. Now I'm here with all of my mates. Now, all of my online mates, all of my gaming friends I've known for years. And you know some of them, you know Ben, you know Monkey, right? You know Gooch. You may remember Gooch from some of the Scotland videos, right? I'm here with all of these guys. We're all here. And what's special about this occasion is some of these boys haven't even met each other. So this is the first time everybody together is meeting each other for the first time. It's great because I've met everyone already. I've already traveled up and down the UK and met everyone. And so like, yeah, this is kind of interesting that we're all together in the same place going to a gamer convention. And we're going to be watching the COD Majors. So COD Majors is happening. We're going to be watching some of that. We're going to be exploring the DreamHack experience. So come along. And I also need to give you guys a tour of the house because the house is crazy because it's not just one house, it's two houses and they're connected. So it's kind of crazy. So come with me and I will show you around. So as you can see, this is the garden. We've got a nice garden, big garden. And this, you may think, well, the fence is in the way. Well, actually, this is part of the same house. We've got this garden too. Both houses connected there so we can go into both gardens. So we've got like this garden over here. And then in here, in this little greenhouse conservatory, we've got a nice little gaming room up in here. It's really hot in here. It's like a sauna, but we've got two little tables there. We've got, I mean, it's not special, but Street Fighter. I assume we could probably play some games or something up on here, or at least watch something on the TV. Now in here, wow, look at this. Woohoo! Conservatory into one room. Boom. One room there. Come all the way down here. We've got like the kitchen. Everyone's chilling in the kitchen right now. And just showed you that house. This house is basically the same, but they're both connected. So I can give you a little quick look around, but there's like no point in showing you like a crazy amount. But this is the kitchen. Oh, not the kitchen. And there's everyone here. Everyone's chilling vibing. And then down here we've got like another room here. In this room. And then, obviously, this is the front room. This is where we're actually going to be chilling. We've got the Xbox set up here. Chunk brought his Xbox, so we're going to set up here and then watch F1 and all that stuff in here. There's quite a big room. There's quite a lot of seats, so we can all get in here. We also, these bad boys, we bought some walkie-talkies. Now, on the ride up here, me, Chunk, and Jay were actually using these, communicating to each other while driving up here. So we drove up here together and was actually using them, and it's actually so much fun just like messing around talking on the walkie-talkies while driving up. And then from the front room it connects over here back into the kitchen. And obviously a little introduction, this is Jay, obviously we know little Smallsy, Chunk, you know what I'm saying, Ben, Monkey and Ninja. Alex, Willow and Gooch are still on the way to come down here, and we're going to be picking up Gooch soon. And Willow and Alex are on the way down, so we've got three more people coming. Who's Smallsy?
It's fucking Jay, you dickhead.
No, we've got a fucking guest appearance, it's Richard Hammond.
Oh. You got the leather jacket and the long hair. Also, just to let you know,
drugs.
That was good timing on that one. Just to let you know, but Brian came all the way from Ireland. He is an island boy.
Could have made some. We could have
He came all the way over there to meet us. And this is like the first time we're actually meeting him for the first time in person. So like he's meeting everyone for the first time. But we've known him for like 10 plus years playing video games. Way back playing Black Ops 2.
It's got to be 360.
Was it Black Ops 2? Black Ops 1?
3,000 days.
Yeah, it was great. All way back in the day we were playing games together.
he was
So
playing.
since then. Right, so Gooch has just arrived at a train station down the road. So me and Chunk are going to go pick him up right now, and everyone is staying at the yard drinking beers. Ben's on the beers, so yeah, we're gonna get Gooch come back and hopefully drink some beers. Oh, we also got I got Monkey recommended me some of this Dead Man's Fingers rum. I like rum, I like spiced rum, big fan of Captain Morgan's, and I've not tried this, so I bought the Monkey recommended me. I'm gonna try this and see what it's like, so we'll probably pour a glass of that later. Come on, Chunk, let's go. We're gonna go get Gooch. Alright, let's go. Fucking look at Gucci boy. Gucci boy is here and ready. Come on, Chief, get in the car. Gucci is in the building. How you doing, son? Was the ride down here good?
Yeah, finding the train station was a chore, but got sent the wrong way by some Turkish guy outside of Greg's.
Fucking hell.
What's the story? What's happening?
Story in Balamory, fucking hell. Gooch meeting Ninja for the first time, fucking hell. Gooch meeting everybody for the first time. Ben and Monkey, Jesus, look at this. The Scottish boy himself. Met him on Modern Warfare 2.
He took the shoes straight off anyway, well behaved.
He brought his laptop.
I bought my laptop.
Yeah, he brought his laptop. Yeah, he's brought his laptop.
I bought my laptop because everyone's taking the piss out of me because I brought my laptop.
Trentt, did you bring your laptop?
Yeah, I brought my laptop.
Is that laptop?
Yeah, this laptop, yeah, I brought this laptop.
I think he's brought his laptop, lads.
Fucking content.
Yeah, trying to make content and these guys just take the piss. So
Monkey's
each day
brought his laptop!
each day I'm gonna move the footage from my phone to the laptop.
He's brought his laptop!
Is he still watching fucking catchphrase on his own?
So everyone's sitting in the front room and we're playing 1v1 FIFA. It's not on the laptop, Ben. Alright, it's not on the laptop. Good morning. So it's the next day and we're going to a card shop and we are... Let me open the door. Where's my key? Hey, hold that.
Oh, yes, boss. Yes, sir, boss.
Thank you, sir. The roles have changed now. The roles have changed. We are going to a card shop, and after we've been to the card shop, we're going to be going to DreamHack. I'm going to go sell some stuff and then see if we can buy a box or two. All right, so we're here outside the store here, Graded Gallery. So we're going to go in and check it out and see what's inside. Yeah, man, look at this. All these cards, man. Look. It's okay, man. We've got some sports over here as well. Some sports down here. One Piece. And we've got some boxes at the back here too. Not bad, not bad. Right, so we got a bit carried away. We bought some boxes, did some trades.
Who's we, bro?
Well, okay, I did. No, Jay as well.
got carried away.
Jay bought a bunch. I bought a bunch. Jay's actually put all his stuff in the boot, so we'll show you lot later what he's got. But I bought some stuff, traded some stuff in, got some cash. So we just got back, and this is the haul that I got. I got black and white, 2 black and white boxes, and a Surgeon Sparks ETB. And then Jay bought a bunch over here too. He's bought all this here, which is pretty much the same. He's got 2 black and whites, 1 Surgeon Sparks. He got a Temple. And, and this is the best thing. We've got a custom-made booster box of Prismatic Evolutions. Yeah, man, 30 odd packs in there. Can't wait to open those and see what we get in there. But Jay, how much did you spend, Jay? 600? No, but total. What was the total in total? 800 total price. Well, right now we're getting ready to go over to the DreamHack event. It is like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, or 3 o'clock. I don't know what time it is, but Optic Play in about an hour and a half. So we're gonna go over and get our tickets, get into the venue, check it out, and then probably watch Optic play their first game, and then we'll take it from there. I think the event ends at like 9 o'clock, so we're getting ready now and going. So we made it inside and just got our ticket, picked them up. We're gonna probably check out the CDL first. We're gonna watch Optic play for the first game, and then we're gonna probably go to the expo hall and see what's down there. Woo! We are inside. We're gonna explore this hall later, see what's about.
Switch lanes, switch lanes, got 2 in front. Only good for 1. Nice straight there from the easy to stop the screen. Get it played.
We just got out of the Call of Duty. We just watched Optic destroy the first team for their first game. So, and it got all the way down to a 1v1, and it was pretty sick, and the crowd was going crazy. Just watched that for the first game, and now we're down on the expo hall just looking around. It's almost closed time, so it's like dead empty at the moment. Everyone's behind me here on the F1 rig, so we're just checking that out, and then we're probably just going to go back, and then we're back here tomorrow.
He's in.
He's in.
He's in.
Can you turn the wheel? Can you turn the wheel?
Yeah, watch.
There's Ben, look, man, look, Ben on the fucking drunk driving he is. Get him off the wheel. You shouldn't be driving and drinking at the same time.
Smashed, it's not illegal, is it?
We've made it back to the place. Jay signed his car for some strange reason. Don't know why Jay signed his car, but he's in his car. We made it back. Chunk and everyone else is coming back now. We just parked up, but we don't actually have a set of keys. They have both sets of keys with them, so we're just kind of waiting for them to get back. They're about 5 minutes away, so it shouldn't be too long. Jay, what box did you get? The new box. You got the new box. What's the new box called?
Perfect cock.
Oh, perfect. Perfect what?
Cock.
No, it's not perfect cock. What is it? It's perfect. Perfect what? What is it?
Dick.
Perfect.
Cock.
Perfect.
Cock.
Penis.
Okay, it's not perfect penis.
Yeah.
I'll put...
That's even better. Perfect penis.
Okay, so Jay bought the new set that came out today. Like literally today, the new set came out.
It's called
So we're going to
Perfect
open
Order.
that. Perfect order. We're going to be opening that today.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, well, no. I think Willow wants to open it today, so we're going to be opening it. And this turned up, so yeah. So we are going to get in the house now. Yeah, so we're set up on the table, and we've got some Pokemon that we're going to be ripping, and we got
spins with a repeat chance.
the brand new set just came out today, so we're going to be opening this today. Obviously, by the time this video is out on YouTube, it'll probably be like a couple of days later, or maybe a week or so. But this set came out today. We managed to get hold of a box, and it was 170 quid or something like that. So it wasn't even that bad of a price for a brand new set that just came out today. So it's kind of crazy. So we're going to open this today. I'm going to see where that goes. This is my mate's binder. He's got some F1 cards up in here that we're going to be just looking at. He kind of brought his binder because he's hoping to buy some F1 boxes, but we haven't found any. Only some sports boxes and stuff like, you know, for football and that. But he's got some Pokemon in here already. Because he's just started collecting Pokemon today, so this is his first start of his collection. He's got like some other big hits. He pulled like some really big cards. New set, perfect order, cracking them up. No way! Oh my god! I know way I just got that on camera. You just pulled the Venusaur. Oh my god! No way! Is that good? It's decent. Yeah, that's decent. That. They're going through the packs right now.
Hang on a minute.
Oh, he's got another Meowth. We got a Meowth. EX. Another EX. Yeah, they're about 30p. we need something big, boys. We need something big. Okay, everyone's in here. Look at everyone's looking and getting excited over some Pokemon.
We're getting excited for the casino.
The boys that wanted to go to casino tomorrow. Pokemon.
We've won more games with him playing.
The aftermath. We opened everything and
He clearly does
got absolutely fuck all. How'd you feel, Jay?
The thing, the big
Look at the state of the table. These are all empty packs here. Look.
Yeah,
Gone. Everyone has decided to go off to bed now because it's got quite late, and we opened all the Pokemon cards, and we made quite a mess. We got all the rubbish in the bag. Loads of Pokemon cards just scattered everywhere. We had food as well, and it seems like we've gone through a whole box of Krispy Kreme. I've not actually had any of those, so don't look at me. I've not had any. But we had food, and everyone's gone to bed now. And we're getting up early because we're going to try and get to the DreamHack event early tomorrow. So we're getting up, going to get breakfast, and then going straight to the venue, I think. So gonna do a lot more looking around the expo hall because didn't do much of that, but we're gonna try and play some games and watch some more Optic. That's the plan. But I'll see you boys in the morning.
I see
Tashi!